Good morning, everybody. We are here. It is, well, it's 20 degrees outside. It is cold today, but nonetheless, we made it. We've got Pudgy first in the chat. What's going on, Pudgy? How you doing? Pudgy's got, say my name, when no one is around me. Say Pudgy, Pudgy. Oh, say my name. Slayer JC, what's going on? Dark Bro, how you doing? Slayer JC, Dark Bro, Pudgy. Slayer, Pudgy. We got Slayer, Pudgy, Pudgy. Slayer JC, Dark Bro, man. We got Frank, Dark Bro, Pudgy. Pudgy's a little angel. Oh, Pudgy's a little angel. Yes, Pudgy's a little angel. Outdoor smile. Thank you very much. The super chat outdoor smile says. Oh gosh, man, it's a lot harder than you guys think. Slayer JC, man. Oh, Dark Bro, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. You scare me on Pudgy. Oh my gosh, what is going on this morning? What is going on this morning? What is going on this morning? Is it something conspicuous? Nope, no it's not. Nope, no it's not. Nope, no it's not. Slayer JC, man, outdoor smile, Pudgy, all of you guys. We've got Pudgy, Gorilla, Moji, Pudgy, Moji, Mr. Brian, Slayer, Moji, Gorilla, Frank, Dark Bro, Pudgy, Slayer, all of you guys, man. Thank you very much for being in here. So we've got something different going on right now. Mr. Brian's name, I believe YouTube has gotten rid of all of the gray. This is weird. I don't know what is happening here because now we got somebody else. Mr. Brian is orange. K-Pax is red. Slayer is green, and Pudgy is obviously blue. What is going on with these colored names? I gotta figure this out before we jump into the market because this is confusing to me. Is it like that for you guys, or is it just like that for me? All right, in YouTube, they are gray. Yeah, in YouTube, they are gray. In Streamlabs, Mr. Brian is orange. K-Pax is red. Huh. They're different colors, too. It's like his is red and Mr. Brian. Anybody the great, yeah, they're right next to each other. Sky Stonify is red. Dark Matter of Fact 3000 is red. Mr. Brian is orange. Huh. I wonder why Streamlabs is differentiating between these names now and giving me a different color for these guys. Mr. Brian, what phone are you using? And then Sky Stonify and Dark Matter of Fact 3000. What phone and or computer are you guys using? It could be orange like Trump, yeah. If you guys wanted to give it an association. All right, Sky Stonify, because I just want to figure this out because if I'm looking at Streamlabs here, I want to know what's going on and why you guys are orange and red. Sky Stonify is on an iPhone. Oh, jeez, this doesn't make any sense then. That's not it, because Sky Stonify is red and Dark Matter of Fact is red. They're using iPhone. Dan Schotten Brooks, man, is like a dark blue. What is this? They aren't those colors for me. Yeah, Dan, they're not those colors for you. In YouTube, you guys are all gray. In YouTube. Yeah, Brian, is your Samsung wet or dry? Yeah, but now Dan Schotten, man, he's like, I I don't even know what color it is. It's like a lightish, darkish blue. There's no more such thing as gray. Orange man equals bad. Well, whatever. Mr. Brian is orange right now. You and Sky Stonify are red. Dan Schotten is a weird color blue. Nobody's gray anymore, but I want to figure out why you guys are not gray in Streamlabs. This is going to be interesting to me. You know what we could do? We could just Google it. We could pull it up on Google real quick. Maybe it could be a mood color. Like, we get mood colors now. Instead of mood rings, you guys are mood names. Alright, let's see. Alright, let's see if we got this. I got nothing coming up for 2023. This is weird. I mean, I'm not going to spend the whole morning on it, obviously, but would love... I don't know, man. Ah, gosh. And see, Dave, man. It's not even the beginning of your name. Dan and Dave both start with a D, but they've got a light blue. Mr. Brian is orange. Sky Stonify and darker red. Yeah, I was just trying to see if it did make sense, man, so that I could recognize why you guys got different color names, but... Now I have nothing. If you guys, listen, if you guys come up with something or if you see anybody posting anything about it later today, please relay it to me. But I have, and Hemi Life is pink. Oh boy, we got a very interesting, you guys are all using the YouTube app on your phone, right? Because everybody's a different color now, and this is weird. Say it's a good start, Dave. Something. What do you think of Dogelon? I have 1 billion. Yeah, you know what, Dave, man? Dogelon Mars. I like Dogelon Mars because a lot of people talk about it. I don't have any. It's not something that I plan on buying. But Dogelon Mars has been around for quite some time. There is a huge outstanding supply, but it does have a very nice market cap, and it was in the billions of dollars during the last bull run. So I do think that it could, do well during the next bull market, man. I just don't know if I want to get into any more meme coins after having Dogecoin and Shiba Inu coin. Yes, Semi-Live, you are pink. You calling us red? Yes, dark matter of fact, you are red. How about now? I'm on my laptop, Mr. Brian. You are still orange, man. You are still orange for some reason. Streamlabs chatbot widget comes with various features you can customize to make your chat your own. Step 1: visit our website and log into the dashboard. Step 2: click on all widgets on the left-hand side of the chat on the dashboard. Step 3: click on chat box from the widgets gallery. So, seemingly, I can change your guys' names right now. It might be random. It might be random with what you guys have going on. I'm going to look into that, man. I'm probably going to log into that after the stream. If I log in right now, I don't want it to do anything weird. Can I do it in the stream? Do I have to do it in the Streamlabs website? Can I do it in Streamlabs right now? No, I might have to do it. Cloudbot. No. Layout editor. Studio. Yeah. No. App Store. Get Ultra? I don't think so. Yeah, I don't know, man. We're going to look at that. JB, man, thanks for checking that out. I guess maybe I can customize you guys even beyond what we currently have going on, maybe? Because this is weird, dude. It's weird seeing all these guys different. What color am I? Oh, yeah, that's right. You are blue, Dark Bro. You are blue. But also, Dan Schott and Dave Anderson are a different shade of blue. Now we really do have 50 shades of color going on here. George, man, just to let you know. You are orange, George. You are orange. Mr. Lopez is orange there. Red names matter. Red names do matter. Dark matter. 19 months, bro. Thank you very much, JB. Got to keep working. Have a great day, everybody. JB, man, thank you very much for letting me know really quickly what might be going on with the names in this chat here. Absolutely appreciate it. And enjoy the rest of your day at work, dude. If you're leaving right now, hopefully you can come back before the afternoon live stream and hang out with us a little bit longer. Kai, I can't do anything weird. What did I log into? Clay is the definition of weird. Yes, quite possibly. Kai, just to let you know, you're a pink name right now. JB, boom, baby. JB, boom, baby. Get to work, JB. Boom, baby. Outdoor smile. Outdoor smile. Using his member chat to say get to work, JB. I like it. Outdoor smile. Congrats, bro. Heck yeah. Nice, JB. Congrats to bro or JB and Outdoor Smile. Maybe it's when they started to subscribe to the channel. DD214. Very well could be, man. Very well could be. Guys, that's it. That's an interesting point right there. Skystoneify and Dark Matter of Fact. Like you guys and then Kai. Throw if you know how long you've been subscribed. Let me know how long you've been subscribed, because I cannot figure out why you guys are all different colors right now, but that is you know what? Nah, because they would be green. You guys that have been here forever would be green automatically. So it's somebody who doesn't have a green name that I know has been here for a very long time. Hey, is Nick F? Is Nick F in here? Because I would be able to tell. I can take his blue name away and then see how long Nick F has been, what color Nick F is. But yeah, if you guys know how long you've subscribed to the channel, throw that in the chat right now too, because that might have something to do with it. But man, can I use a prepaid gift card to join the channel? Mr. Brian, whatever YouTube accepts, I do not know what YouTube accepts as a form of payment. If you wanted to use, I believe, PayPal, you can use PayPal. But I don't know if YouTube would accept that or not. I don't see why they wouldn't. But also, I don't think that you have to make it a recurring one if you don't want it to be recurring. So it is up to you. Not pink on my screen. I hope pink is... No, it is not, Kai. You are good. But it is pink on my Streamlabs screen, not on my YouTube screen. So it's definitely something with Streamlabs and not with YouTube. Gala price predictions for 2023. YNB fight. Gala has been soaring over the last... Well, a couple of weeks, man. It's been a decent month since Gala has ran from a cent to 5 cents. Currently sitting here at 5.5 cents, looking very nice, man. Touching 6.5 cents. If you're talking, you said 2023, right? It's going to be difficult. But if we get a bull market to return, okay? If we've got a bull market to return and Gala keeps running, I do think, man, it's going to depend on the games that come out. And if they're able to generate some good games. But, dude, I don't see why they wouldn't be able to fly back to these levels that they were once at in 2022 here. I don't see why they couldn't be, a quarter, 30 cents, 40 cents. If a bull market happens and they are able to make some successful games. The successful games for them is going to be a major part. But guys, anyway, market review real quick. AMC sitting at $5.16. Shiba Inu coin sitting at $11.98. GameStop down here, $21.74. And Bitcoin, dude, it is stuck on this trend line at 23,100. Unable to break up above that. Told my manager about Brocoin. He said he would throw in on it. K-Pax. Nice, man. Dang, dude, Brocoin is going to have a lot of success right off the bat if you guys are actually serious and you do want to jump into it. Frank only Clay understands all that. Something, what did Frank say? Darn it. Clay, bro. GLW missed earnings, down 4%. Got another $1,190. Bring me to 59.7 shares. AMC cover calls for $5. Expire next week. Money into GLW. Then Ford will buy. Yeah, Ford is up nice today. Ford's up like 4% or something today. Buy $280 more this Friday. MPW and Ford 1350 cover calls expire this Friday. Ford's got to be right around that 1350 as well. You can expire in the money or out of the money on Ford. I know it was having a pretty good day so far. Okay, yeah, right around that 1350 this morning then. Sitting at highs during the day of 1357, currently at 1337. Dude, I don't know where you get your Ford at, but even if you get called away at 1350, man, you're going to make a nice little capital gain. Plus whatever premiums you got for those 1350 covered calls. Frank, dude, very nice on that. Hopefully you kill it. We got Dark. He got Glowstone yesterday. Very nice, Dark. Told my manager, sold that one. Clibro, hey, why the disparity in price between Wrapped Luna and LUNC today? MLG Martin 007. I actually do not know why you'd be seeing a disparity between a wrapped coin and in the original coin. You should not see a disparity between the two. But if you do, one of two things could be happening. For some reason, the smart contract is not keeping it pegged at the price of the asset. Or you've got a little bit of an arbitrage opportunity taking place there. And if Wrapped Luna is cheaper, you know, it might rise to the price of Luna. If Luna is more expensive, it may fall to the price of Wrapped Luna. So just watch out for that. Ice Bear, 11 months. Ice Bear been here for 11 months, and Ice Bear is orange right now. MLG Martin, you are orange as well. Samantha, what's going on, Samantha? Samantha, you are pink. Don't know why. Gotonic, heck yeah, Lana, YouTube. Didn't show you my feed yesterday. Well, yesterday, Samantha, I was not live in the morning yesterday. So if you didn't see me in the morning because you don't come in the afternoon, I did not go live yesterday morning, so that would be the reason you didn't see me in the feed. Thank you very much for letting me know, though, because sometimes YouTube actually hides me in the feed, and I don't know why they like to shadow ban like that, but sometimes it does not always work. So thank you very much for letting me know on that, but I did not go live yesterday morning. Let's see. I don't spend money that can go to. I just don't spend. Yeah, there you go, Kai. And very good, man. Here we get Bradley Vision is like a brown. What is Bitcoin having due to the market? So Bradley, theoretically, it does nothing to the market, but in practice, what we've seen is during a Bitcoin halving, the price of Bitcoin goes up to make up for the less rewards that miners are receiving. So typically, during a halving cycle, you're going to see the price of Bitcoin moving higher. The miners are receiving less rewards. They're receiving half the rewards that they once did, but it's being offset by a rising Bitcoin price. So theoretically, it doesn't have to do anything. But what we've seen are increasing prices because Bitcoin is becoming more scarce, and therefore, you know, people are more willing to buy it. The price goes up, and it offsets those rewards there. Patrick, a 4-month member chat. I love it. Sorry to have missed y'all yesterday. We'll be in and out of meetings over the next 2 weeks. Patrick, thank you very much for the authorized hydration, and do not worry about missing yesterday. It is all right, dude. Oh, yes. And I don't know why. I might have to take some Tylenol after this live stream. I got like a really bad earache right now. Ears hurting. Noise, Mr. Hydration. Heck yeah. Who was first? I believe Pudgy was first in the chat. That's the first chat that I saw. Who the heck knows if Streamlabs was lying to me or not, but I believe it was Pudgy. My color is clay, bro. DD214. I love it, man. That's the best color there is. 17 months of bro, baby. Oh, yes. He's an OG green. DD214 is an OG green right there. I love clay, but I'd rather pay my power bill instead of this. Otherwise, he'd make me a mod. Scary thought. It is a very scary thought, Kai. Very scary thought. And yes, please, everybody pay their power bill. No, Dark Bro. You heard Clay. Something. Dark Bro. Was it Dark Bro? Was Dark Bro first in the chat? I don't know. Frank was first. Frank was first in the chat. The first chat that I saw was Pudgy. So you guys obviously had a conversation before I got in here, and it cut off the beginning of the chat there. Let's see. Average on Ford is 1244. There you go, man. Gladly get called away at 1350 then. If they get called away next week, I'll either buy shares on the dip or sell cash secure puts. 1350 strike for the same week. Wash and cash for max premiums. That's what you got to do, man. That's what you got to do. I like it. And nothing wrong with buying a dip, but obviously if you want to make some money back on the downside, doing very well to take Ford up a $1.06 on $12 there, man. Nice 8% gain. Can't beat that at all. It's because Pudgy paid him. Pudgy. Yeah, Pudgy did have some super chats at the beginning there. Patrick! Thank you very much for the super chat. Retroactive authorized hydration for Clay. Blood in the water, baby. Start buying. We'll be able to bear the market until the bulls come to roost. We got a little retroactive authorized hydration right here. Appreciate any authorized hydration. Oh, that is so good. Thank you very much, Pat, for the super chat and the authorized hydration, man. I love it. Not sure what happened, but I was first, second on the chat. Yeah, YouTube. No, Frank, it might not have been a YouTube glitch, dude. If you guys like start going off in the chat, it disappears. Like the beginning of the chat disappears. I don't know if it only keeps 100 chats at a time or what the number is, but I can only scroll back up like 100 chats or something. And if you guys are conversing and all that stuff, it deletes the first part of the chat. Family Z, just to let you know, Family Z, you are red for my channel right here. Tim, aren't you the boss, man? Tim, what's going on, Tim? How you doing, man? Glad that you're in here right now. Clay, where can you actually buy USTC? None of my exchanges offer it. You know what, Lonnie? I don't know where you can get it. You may be able to get it on, you may be able to get it on Binance because they removed the warning from it. But I actually do not know if KuCoin has USTC or not. Anybody know? I don't have any USTC, and honestly, I don't plan on getting any USTC. But anybody know if KuCoin or Binance offers USTC? Slayer! Thank you very much for the super... Oh, it's a curly horn. Nobody wants a curved horn. Come on, everybody loves it straight, don't they? Hold on. We got to do better than this. We can do better. Oh, yeah. That's still curly. What are you going to do? Thank you very much, Slayer, for the unicorn horn, man. Love it. Daughter wanted the unicorn. Daughter got the unicorn, Slayer. Slayer, Poodle, MJ, or M-Mo, J Bones. What's going on? Patrick to Frank, Dilly. Honorable mention to Pudgy. Thank you very much, Patrick. For the super chat and the dilly to Frank out there. Frank, dilly to you, my man, and honorable mention to Pudgy there. USTC on MetaMask. I like it. Get your USTC through MetaMask, guys. Lonnie, of swapped LUNC for USTC on Terra Station. You could do that as well. Moji, not on my day job. I started the overflow and non-stop chattery. Well, I like it, Pudgy. Never stop the stops. John J. Thank you very much for the super chat. A wingo up, a wingo up, a wingo up. A wingo up, a in the jungle, the mighty jungle, the Johnny J sleeps tonight. John J, man, thank you very much for the super chat. You guys gotta have some fun with that one, man. It is a good morning so far. I love all these colors, man. If I can start assigning you guys different colors, that's gonna be pretty cool. So I'm gonna have to figure it out because we got Ogili is blue, Kai is pink, we've got Dark Matter is red, Oze is pink, Samantha is pink, Ogili is blue. I like it, man. I do. I'm glad my name is not pink on my screen. I have severe PTSD. I would worry if I saw my... Well, dude, I see it pink. I kind of like it, Kai. It looks pretty good, man. Francis, I'm getting my USTC from staking my Luna. Over 1,000 USTC so far. Dude, not bad, franchise. 1,000 USTC at 2 cents, man. That's looking pretty good there. Get Glowstone for Link Rewards. You can do that as well. What's up, y'all? I'm here, no worries. Oze, glad to have you in here. So, Clay, bro, have you received any messages from Glowstone? I have not, Dark Bro. I have not received any messages whatsoever from Glowstone. They actually didn't even follow me back on Twitter, so I have no idea if they want to hang out with me or not. Oze, we've been waiting for you. Glad to know you made it. That we have, J-Bones. That we have. Everybody, what's going on, Oze? Oze, can you see? Yeah, Samantha, your name's... if I pull it up in YouTube, the name's not pink. But for some reason in Streamlabs, the computer program that I'm using right now to do this live stream, it is showing up as pink for me. What's up, family? Debt-free dad, man. How you doing? Debt-free dad, you are blue, and Andrew, you are orange. Just to let you know. When this U-turn and bottom of the market is confirming and stocks start sprouting up again, what are the key levels of resistance for AMC to get back up to back to $20 a share? Andrew, it's not going to be easy. Kai, you are pink, man. It's not going to be easy for AMC to get back up to $20 a share. It is going to have several levels of resistance. This is the daily chart, okay? And right now, we're at a level of resistance at this $5, you know, 5 to the upside and downside. Okay, let's hope it maintains this area. But next major level of resistance is 750-ish, okay? And you can see that in here. As it traded for, I don't know, what is this, 2 weeks? 2 weeks around 750. When it spiked up, okay, there was a little level of support on the way down, resistance on the way up, resistance on the candle bodies on the way up in this 825 to 850 range. So you're going to have another little level here, not terribly concerning, but it was not able to break through this $9 mark. So $7.50 to $9 is going to provide some resistance for you. If it breaks that, it's going to be good news, because above it, you're sitting here at this $10 to $10.50. And the good news there, man, once $10.50 is broken, you've got a little area. If people go back this far, if they're going back a year to February, March of 2022, you've got this little area in the 11-12s. But then you're rolling back up pretty quick to this $15, $16 level. And if we are able to break up on some nice moves to back up to this $16 area, $15, $16, you know, the good news is it only takes a 20-30% move from that point to be knocking on 20 store. So it's not going to be easy to get here. We do have several levels to break through. But if we break through them, man, then it's going to be pretty, not easy to do it, but it's going to be much simpler to see a 20 to 30% gain than it is to see a 400% gain, which is basically what we would need right now to get back to that level. So that's what you're looking at, dude. As far as AMC is concerned, getting back up to the $20 per share mark. Let's see. Wouldn't USTC be a good bet if they repeg to LUNC? Could be a huge upswing potential. Yeah, Lonnie, man. So if it is successful, if they are successful in repegging USTC to $1, it would be an amazing investment. You're talking a 50x gain from the current prices. Well, a little less since it's up now. It was up like 20% earlier today. But if they are successful, you're basically riding it from 2 cents to $1, which is going to be a phenomenal gain, man. But like I say, and I've tried to emphasize this in the last couple videos, it's not going to be easy to get these centralized exchanges on board with, you know, manipulating the price higher. It's not going to be easy to get them on board with doing that. So it's not going to be like it's guaranteed to go up. But hey, if they're successful, yeah, it's going to be a 50x gain. Kai, you good, bro? You great? It's great for you, pink for me. How long would it take to soft repeg USTC K-Pax, man? I have no timeline. I have no timeline on it. I just, it really depends on the overall market, how many people are willing to buy it. You know, if everybody came in and was willing to buy it today, dude, if you saw hundreds of millions of dollars flow into it, you would see a massive rally higher, and then it could be pegged. It could be back up there at that dollar mark by the end of the week. The pegging of it happens with the algorithm behind the scene. So when they peg it to a certain price, that's all code, because of the code they write that burns and mints and burns and mints based on price differences. You know, that's where the pegging takes place. But you've got to get it to the price you want before you really throw that code into the game. Otherwise, you know, you're going to be pegging it to 2 cents. You're going to be pegging it to 3 cents and things like that. Do the colors matter? The colors do not matter at this point because I have no idea what they mean. If I am able to change your guys' colors, right, then they would matter. But how much do they matter if you guys can't see them? If I'm the only one that can see them, how much do they matter at that point? Unless, let me see something real quick. Let's see. Give me a couple seconds here. Let's see. Background. I don't care. Let's see if this does anything. Yeah, you guys are typing. But I certainly don't see you guys typing right now. Why you guys are not showing up on the chat, I do not know. I don't know why you guys can't see that chat. I got a chat box right here. You guys should be able to see yourselves. And I don't know why you can't. What does that do? Man, you guys literally can't see anything. Why are you guys not typing in the chat? Does anybody know how to work Streamlabs chat box? Because you guys should totally be showing up in the chat right now. Showing up on the screen right now. But you're not. Font settings, fine, man. Chatter. Huh. Oh, there you go. Hey, I don't even know how I did that. But anyway, there you guys are. But why now you're all orange. All right, let's see it. Moji! Thank you very much for the super chat. Or not for the super chat, for all of those green names. Guys, grab that green name. We got Dial Up Survivor grabbing a green name. Dark Matter of Fact grabbing a green name. King Mamba grabbing a green name. We've got Nate M grabbing a green name. And Nick F grabbing that green name. I love it, guys. Moji, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely love that. I may have figured out what's going on with the chat over here. I want to see Kai's name, man. I want to see Kai's name because Kai is supposed to be pink, but if it's shows up orange. We're going to figure out what's going on with that. Thank you very much, Moji. Guys, please throw some thank yous out to Moji right now. Really appreciate that, Moji. You're the absolute man. Loving it, dude. Loving it. Thank you very much. All right, Frank is blue. Yes, Frank is blue. Diddy214, J-Bones are blue. I'm going to make these smaller in a second here, right? I'm going to make these smaller, but I just wanted to see. Kai, put your name in the chat right now. I want to see if your name shows up as pink on here and you guys actually see yourselves in different colors. Let's see. Project Moon, Claybro, buy Litecoin. I'm gonna do it. Kai is, dude, it's showing Kai is blue, so I don't know what the heck is going on here with all of these names, man. I don't know what's going on with all of these names showing up as different colors. But nonetheless, font settings, yes, make that font a lot smaller size. All right, very good. Done. We'll see if that changes anything there, if it ends up popping up or not. We'll figure it out. I want to stay pink. Samantha, you're still pink on my screen. I just don't know if this chat box is actually working or not. All right, well, it does seem, but now you guys are all red, so I have no idea why these names are showing up that way. I could definitely try and figure that out later, but technically not working to show the fact that you guys are different on my screen. Kai, how did you not get good? Nobody knows, man. Kai must not have his gift receiving enabled. You gotta get your gift receiving enabled. And guys, sorry I was ignoring the chat for a second. I wanted to see if I could get that to show up there in the chat, but obviously I could not. And yeah, we're gonna take that off the screen. You guys don't need to see it since you can actually see this, see the chat in the YouTube chat box as opposed to on the screen there. Moji loses at Royal Rumble but passes out green names because Moji is the absolute man. He is the man, dude. What do you think about Terra from Terraport? Would you like to get your thoughts if it's worth pre-sale going on now? George, man, let me say this, okay? I think that these guys are going to be raising a lot of money, which the pre-sale is supposedly going very well for them. Now, in terms of whether I think that coin is going to do well, what I see happening is it doing well in the beginning. All of these coins gather a lot of attention right off the bat. Lunatics token is a good example of it. When it's new and fresh and exciting, then it does well. And right now, pre-sales going from 2.5, 3 cents, 3.5 to 4 cents. You will be able to make a little bit of money. Here is what you risk, though. Once the pre-sales and everything is over, and these guys that got in at 2.5 cents during the first private sale are able to just immediately double their money, you are going to have people who double their money. If they put in $100,000 during this pre-sale, and they're guaranteed to make $100,000 by the time it goes public, they probably got a sell button already pushed, ready to sell. So you may see an immediate drop-off once it goes public based on these guys who got in at half price, selling off and doubling their money very quickly, and then looking to buy back in. So I would expect some initial volatility, yes. And once the coin actually does go public, I would imagine that it could do very well for a few days until people realize that, well, you're probably better off buying Terra Luna Classic than you are buying Terra. And then you might see like a lot of these projects that associate themselves with another coin, you may see it falling in price for quite some time as it loses its luster. How many likes we got? Very good question, man. Not enough. We got 30 likes, guys. Don't forget to click that like button. Anybody else heard AMC sold on its Saudi theaters for like 30 million? I did not hear that. I don't have the green thing turned on. I'm annoying enough. You don't want me to have a green name, Kai. Yes, we do, man. We want everybody in here to have a green name. Come on now. Litecoin's affordability and stability are what make it stand out beyond other cryptocurrencies. I'm going to have to buy at least one Litecoin here pretty soon. Project Moon, man, if you continue to hang with us, I might have to buy a Litecoin just to be cool, man. Just so you think I'm cool. You know what? Like, I might have to buy one just so you think I'm cool, dude. How high can Shiba and Doge go if Bitcoin hits 250,000? Bradley, my initial response is just say, okay, if Bitcoin hits 4 times its all-time high, let's say that Shiba and Doge can hit 4 times their all-time high. Simple math on that would take it out to, what is that, 3 zeros in a 32, I believe. I believe 3 zeros and like a 32 would be 4x the all-time high, 35 maybe. 4x the 5x or 4x the all-time high that we saw. So right there, 3 zeros and a 32. I think takes us to 4x the all-time high. So that's, constant or consistent growth across the cryptocurrency market for all coins. Now, the Shiba Inu coin can outpace Bitcoin, especially if a lot of these altcoins are running as Bitcoin is moving higher. So that's just one way to look at it. Hey, bro, imagine earning at least $15 a week on GLW covered calls and use the premium to buy shares of Ford, AT&T, and I don't know what MPW is to bulk up those positions. I'm telling you, yeah, Frank, dude, it wouldn't be bad at all. GLW, though. What is GLW? I don't know what this is. All right, so Corning sitting at $34.84 right now, dipping down on the day. It is down 4.5%, but nonetheless, man, if you're playing options on it and you're coming out here, you got the calls, you got the $35 calls, $36 calls might be better if you want to leave yourself some room for some capital gains. But yeah, dude, you're sitting there you're talking 14, 15 bucks right now, 10 bucks if you're looking to sell the $36 calls for this Friday. But not a bad way to generate some income, man, if you're sitting there holding on. And the dividend is another 3% annualized return that you're going to be seeing on Corning there. GLW. And GLW is a very nice long-term gainer. This is a monthly chart here. So running from the bottom, I don't know if you can necessarily go this far back to when it ran up during the dot-com bubble to $200+ a share. But if you're looking at the last 2 decades, man, if you're looking at the last 20 years, look at the gains. This is a very nice runner over the last 2 decades. Something that you don't really have to worry about. A big drop in 2008, that's acceptable. And a big drop in 2020 when everybody was in prison in their own homes. So, you're talking 2 justifiable losses over the last 20 years. Not bad at all, man. Not bad at all. And because of that stability, that's why you may not have ridiculously high options premiums where $3,400 is generating you 10, 15 bucks a week. But dude, 10, 15 bucks a week is 10, 15 bucks a week that you wouldn't have if you weren't selling options on it. So yeah, Frank, not a bad idea at all, man. And I don't know what it looks like. What does it look like when you go in big? I don't think we need that chat on the screen. Right? I don't think we need that chat on the screen, especially if, especially as big as it is, and the fact that we don't have people coming over from Twitch and these other areas as well. So we can make the font a little bit smaller. Yes. Chatter, source, visual settings, old school. No. Clean is fine. You could do clean. Yeah, but I don't think we need the chat on there. Plus, that's probably too small right there. I don't even know if you guys can read that. Yeah, we don't need it. If everybody's in YouTube, we don't need that chat. If everybody wasn't in YouTube, I could see having the chat on there. But I'm not going to sit there and worry about that chat bot. I just wanted to see if it would actually show you guys the different colors that I'm currently seeing, which I don't know why it doesn't. Moji, what's going on? King Mamba, how you doing, man? He said, I am pink in his eyes. Samantha, you are pink in my eyes. I do see a pink right now. Bones, I sent you a message to the Discord. Bones, go answer that message. The guy predicted about the rise of Bitcoin back when it first started. Said Shiba Inu would be the next big gainer in the next 10 years. Yeah, I don't know that guy's name, but I have seen his Twitter posts and his stuff flowing around Twitter, right? Doesn't he just have some tweets like, Shiba or Shiba or something like that? So, hey man, if that guy's into Shiba Inu coin right now, look, just because somebody said that Bitcoin was going to be a good idea doesn't mean that they are some sort of all-knowing, omnipotent creature that knows all of the gainers and the losers. They're doing the exact same thing that this bad boy right here does. They're just providing you a prediction. But hey, if that guy likes Shiba Inu coin, man, and he can get some eyes on Shiba Inu coin, it's marketing at that point. And if you market it to a large group of people, some people will be able and will be willing to buy it, and therefore it will support the price. So that's one way to look at it. Let's see. Okay, some of the green thing, invite. How do I turn it on? It pops up from time to time, but I ignore it because I know I'm not safe around mentally stable people. Kai, you're good to go, man. I don't know if you can scroll back up and see it on there, but if you could see Mo's message that he sent, you can click on that and you can enable gift receiving. But it's not just an automatic thing. Somebody does have to donate some green names or whatever, and you would have to get it there. But I don't know if you can scroll back up and see Mo's thing on the screen or not. Let's see. And to the rest of all my fellow bros. Boom! King Mamba, baby. Kai. So I'm going to pay for it. Yes, Mochi is correct on that one. She's going to take years to hit 1 cent, but I'm patient. Sergeant, I'm going to tell you right now, dude. I don't know how easy it would be for Shiba to hit a penny. I think that's an extremely high mark in my mind. But if it does, dude, please, if you honestly think Shiba Inu coin has the potential to hit a penny, make the decision right now to just leave your Shiba Inu coin in your wallet, in your portfolio, wherever you got it, honestly, for the rest of your life, man. Just make that decision right now. If you think it's going to hit a penny, please be patient on that. I don't know if it's going to hit a penny, okay? I think they got to burn 99% of the supply if we're going to hit a penny. But if you believe it will hit a penny, don't deny yourself that opportunity. You are going to be sitting on most likely, right, millions of dollars at that point. And that's going to be a lot of money that you won't want to have missed out on. Dude, even if you never really get to experience it, but you can pass $10 million down your family line, you are going to be doing some wild things and taking Shiba Inu coin to those levels and making some ridiculous money by watching it rise that high. So yes, do not deny yourself the opportunity to see that happen if you truly believe it will. Glowstone will make us rich. Dark matter of fact. Glowstone could make us rich, man. What is Glowstone sitting at today in terms of market cap? Oh, man, I just closed out coin market cap, and I did not want to do that. All right, let's see where Glowstone is. Down a little bit today. Glowstone is down 0.26% on the day. Not bad, actually. I'm deleting that chat box because it's messing me up here. All right, Glowstone down 0.38% on the day, 1082 at the moment. $76.8 thousand market cap. Only a $76,000 market cap right now, very low, and the volume on the day is extremely low. Only $357 worth of Glowstone traded today. So watch out for that, guys. Clearbro 8-ball question. Should Tim say Evan and leave the day job early? Well, Tim wants to know if he should be leaving his job early today. What is the answer? The answer is... Ask me again later, Tim. Ask me again later. Most likely when you're supposed to be leaving work. I'm going to have to ask again later, Tim. Now, the 8-ball is probably going to make you wait until it's time to leave work anyway. Roulette wheel! Thank you very much for the super chat. What would happen if Shiba gains another 10 to 15 mil? Ooh. Dude, so I think that we're only at, I don't even think we're at 2 million wallets on Shiba Inu coin, right? Let's see where we're at here. Let's see. Shiba. Shiba's the number one trending coin right now. This is the one that I want to see. This is the one that I want to be. Shiba got 1.29 million different wallets out there. Now, this does not include all of the holders on centralized exchanges that do not have wallets, right? This is how many holders are currently on the Ethereum blockchain. So if you're holding on if you're holding on, Coinbase or KuCoin or Binance, your wallets aren't going to be associated with this number right here. So it is going to be bigger than 1.29 million, yes, but also that could be, one guy can have 100 wallets if he wants 100 wallets. So if you're looking maybe at 2, 3, 4 million people right now holding Shiba Inu coin, and it jumps, it doubles, triples, quadruples, you are most likely, man, going to see the price rise astronomically along with that increase in holders. Why? Because it is going to be a very, very strong increase in demand that far outweighs the increase in, I guess, not supply, but selling pressure. So if an additional 15 million flock to the coin, you are undoubtedly going to see that price soar higher because they're going to be buying it, man. They're going to be buying it off of each other, and they're going to be fighting over those coins at that point. So they have to offer higher prices. I don't know what that would translate to percentage-wise. If you 10x the amount of holders, you're going to more than 10x the price. But beyond a certain point, I don't know where that levels off. So, if you go from 1 holder to 10 holders, you may not see some wild action. But when you add 15 million people fighting over the coin to get a hold of it, it is going to cause some serious price swings to the upside. So, yeah, unfortunately, I don't know what that would look like in terms of price action. But, dude, you would be rolling higher in the amount of people and rolling higher in the price as well. Nope, didn't want to click that one. I wanted to click this one. Actually, can we look at Ethereum? How many holders are there in Ethereum? Why would it show me that? Nobody wants to see that. I don't want to see the Ethereum. I just wanted to see the overall Ethereum one, but no, can't do it. All right, after clock in by Samantha. Enjoy your morning. Thank you very much for hanging out with us. Have fun at work today. Have fun at work. Hopefully it's not too hard. Shib price outcome from a March Texas event. You know what, K-Pax? I don't know if they've confirmed that they're going to that Austin, Texas festival or whatever it is yet. I haven't seen any confirmation of that. I'm going to read my second to last from next Thursday. Do it, man. Read that one. Breaks out his crystal ball. Oh, yes. Read my last to you, King Mamba. To me or to you? I have no idea what's going on. I'll throw in a few hundo. Tony's got it, man. Meaning Shib could hit a penny. Oh, yeah, roulette wheel. If we ran up to 15 million holders, I still think that you would need to see burns, right? I truly do. I still think you would need to see burns. I don't see it hitting a $5 trillion valuation. To me, man, that's just, I can comprehend moves, right? But I can't necessarily comprehend Shiba Inu coin 5xing Bitcoin. I think if you burn those coins, yes. If Bitcoin's sitting on a $2-3 trillion valuation and Shiba Inu coin is the most popular altcoin, do I think it can hit a penny and sit on $1 trillion valuation at those levels? Yeah, I probably do. But I can't justify a $5 to $6 trillion valuation, man. I don't know. My mind won't let me do it for some reason. I love Aptos. Mr. Brian, you making money on Aptos? Good. I've been chilling with 150 million Shiba waiting for 5 cents. Bradley, dude, if you hit 5 cents, man, you're going to be, what is that, like 1/20th, 1/10th, 1.5. What are you sitting on, $2 million at 5 cents there? Have a wonderful day, Samantha. Heck yeah. I believe another YouTuber did an interview with a developer saying what they were showing in a SXSW. Okay, so Bradley, very nice. I have not seen that confirmation, but that would be pretty sweet if they are going to that for sure. Because I looked up the numbers on it, and I think that there was like 260-something thousand people that went to that event last year. So it's going to be a lot of people there, man. And I know that 260,000 people aren't just going to go buy Shiba Inu coin because they saw it at some event in Austin, Texas. But, dude, 260,000 people that get exposed to it, that's some marketing right there. I think it would be sweet for, for me. Like, imagine, these people don't know what Shiba Inu coin is. They don't know what Claybro is. If I went to some event and had 260,000 people potentially subscribe to the YouTube channel, that would be awesome. It really would. Mr. Brian, grabbing that green name, becoming a bro. I love it, Mr. Brian. Guys, 78 welcomes to Mr. Brian right now. Please throw those welcomes out there. He no longer has an orange name, ladies and gentlemen. He has got himself a green name. Mr. Brian, thank you very much, man. Appreciate you. I got an email yesterday. It says it's from you, and I have 1 month free subscription. Cracking. Well, yes, it wasn't, the 1 month free wasn't from me, though. It was most likely from, maybe Kenneth last week. I forget. Was it Moji or Kenneth? Who sent them last week, man? Because it wasn't me that gave it out, but Kenneth or Moji or somebody would have passed that out last week, Kraken. And, yes, dude. So, thank you for coming in here with your green name. Absolutely love it. And thank you to whoever sent one that Kraken got there. King Mamba! I love it, man. Thank you very much for the 4-month member chat. 4 months already. Well, here's some authorized hydration. King Mamba, thank you very much for that authorized hydration, man. Love it, dude. Dark Bro says, welcome. Yes, Mr. Brian, man. Thank you very much for grabbing that green name. SD says, welcome. King Mama saying, welcome. Let's see, just got to hear what's up. Any thoughts on Shiba Inu today? You know what, Seki? Not a ton of thoughts on Shiba Inu coin today. I believe the crypto in general is going to continue following Dogecoin. All right. Now, you can see Shiba, flat. Bitcoin, flat. Dogecoin, on the other hand, though, Dogecoin is up nicely on the day, up 8%. And I don't know what people are so excited about Dogecoin right now for. I don't know if Elon Musk is getting ready to do something or what the deal is. But the overall cryptocurrency market very closely following Bitcoin, and Shiba Inu coin will continue to do so. I don't expect any major Shibarium announcements today, so I don't expect some major price swings. Unless, of course, they catch us off guard, man. That's the only thing I'm looking at right now. I did, and Kenneth did. You guys killing it. So, Kraken, it was either Moji or Kenneth that would have sent that green name to you, but I do appreciate you being in here and coming in and saying thank you for it. Elon will finally see the light and will buy trillions of Shiba for his personal investment. If he does that, roulette wheel, if he makes a public announcement that he is doing that, expect Shiba to go up in price. Now, since I was gone, how do I accept charity? Guy, I don't know, you still got to click that. I don't know how to do it unless somebody sends a free green name, man. I don't know how to turn on gift receiving without doing that there. Super late. Phone was charging and finishing a puzzle. Hello, everybody. Chris, man. Like an actual puzzle? Is that what you were doing? You're playing doing an actual puzzle there? It's been a long time since I've done one of those. Brian, use your one free member chat. Today is the last day for January. There you go. If you've got one already, DD24, do you get one immediately? Bro, is it time? JJ, it might be time, man. Someone Doge, something about Doge. I just can't believe in it. Well, you know what, Roulette? Well, nothing wrong with that, man. Nothing wrong with that. Hopefully you made a gain on it. If not, well, that's okay, too. Thanks, J-Bones. Heck yeah. Is there a chance Shiba follows? Yeah. So, Seki, it depends on why Dogecoin's moving. I don't know why Dogecoin's moving today, up 8%, but Shiba Inu coin does like to follow Dogecoin. So if it's because of something with Elon Musk saying anything about his dog or Shiba dogs or whatever, there is a chance, yes, that Shiba Inu coin catches back up. But I don't know why Dogecoin is moving today. Let's see. Click the like, guys. Only 43 likes at 80. Guys, click the like button. What are you doing, man? Let's go to 100. Oh my gosh, started the fist bump fad here, King Mamba. Heck yeah, man. If Shiba keeps the moving from 1200 to 1150 to 1200, I'll own the world. Hey man, if you're bouncing back and forth, man, making those gains, I like it. Oh my gosh. JJ, thank you very much for the super chat, man. Really appreciate that. Clay, I saw a video about Elon buying Twitter. Is really because of all the information it holds for his brain link thing. And yes, Clay, 1,000 pieces. Did you finish the puzzle? That's the question. I want to comment on that right after I say, you guys know what time it is? It's time to get hard. Like a diamond. JJ, man. Anybody else hard like a diamond out there? You better be hard like a diamond, man. Thank you very much, JJ, for both of those super stickers. And yes, Chris, I was actually wondering about that. I think I may have discussed that in some of the videos that I did early on when Elon Musk started saying that he wanted to buy Twitter before he ever bought it. But I don't think that that's an impossibility. So Twitter is... If he integrates his vision of AI with all of the information that's on Twitter, he could honestly, he's going to be able to harness a massive amount of data owning Twitter, easily worth $40 billion, right? So it does depend on what his intentions are. But yeah, he's got his fingertips literally on a world full of information, man. Ask the able. Oh, last before we leave, guys, get your name in the chat right now. But we gotta go. We gotta know. Should Tim leave work early? What do we got? Cannot predict now. Cannot predict now. I'm very sorry, Tim, but this might be something that you have to wait until the end of the workday to determine whether or not you should be leaving work. The 8-Ball does not want you to leave just yet, man. 1,000-piece puzzle, finished it. Had to redo a corner because I messed up 2 pieces. Well, that's all right, Chris. That is all right. Guys, we're going to do these shout-outs. We're going to be back this afternoon. Appreciate all you guys for being in here. Shout-outs to J-Bones, man. JJ, Frankenator, Tim, Tony D. We got J-Bones, Slayer, Kai, not Sky, Kraken, Chris, Sky. We've got Forefathers, Slayer, Johnstontown, SD, man. Don't be so salty. See you later. Tony D, peace out to you. Frank, Gorilla Invictus. I don't know if Nick F's in here. I don't know if 70 Bro's in here. We got DD214, man. Peace out to you. The franchise. See you later. Peace out to you. 8-Ball sucks. I'm ditching. Ditch then, man. The 8-Ball is trying to keep you at work. Dial Up Survivor, Skystoneify, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Moji, man, thank you very much for the peach. None of you guys can look, but you can't touch. Only Moji can touch that one. You know what he thinks when he sees that peach? Thank you very much, Slayer, for the super chat. Loving it, man. Moji, appreciate you, Slayer. Ice Bear, shout out to you guys. J-Bones, Moji, MBN, see you later. DD214, Slayer, all you guys. If you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. I thought we were leaving, but Slayer says, nope. Slayer, I thought we were, nope. I thought we were leaving, but Slayer says, nope. Slayer, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Appreciate you on that one. I did think that we were leaving, man. I did think that they were leaving. But Slayer says absolutely not. We got shout-outs to Moji, King Mamba, Kai, King Mamba, Skystoneify, the Mad Hippie, Mr. Brian, MB and King Mamba, Slayer, J-Bones, Moji, all you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Slayer! Slayer says, dude, we can't leave with it on this break without a little lick and stick action. I feel you, Slayer. You take that banana, you tilt the head back a little bit, you lick it, and you stick it. Thank you very much, Slayer. You got to maintain that eye contact the entire time. That is the most important part. Slayer, dude, thank you very much. Mad Hippie, Tim, DD214, Moji, J-Bones, all of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.